So, you've heard the buzzword, keto. Maybe your friends are raving about it or you've seen it all over social media. But what's really behind the hype? What is it really? Is it just another diet trend, or is there more to the story? The ketogenic diet is all about flipping your body's main fuel source from carbohydrates to fat. It's a dramatic shift in how your body gets energy. Normally your body runs on glucose from carbs, think bread, pasta, potatoes, and even sugary snacks. But on keto, you cut carbs way down, sometimes to just a fraction of what you're used to. Your liver then steps in, turning fat into molecules called ketones, which your body uses for energy instead. This process is called ketosis. When you're in ketosis, your body becomes a fat-burning machine, tapping into stored fat for fuel. Keto isn't just low carb, it's very low carb, high fat and moderate protein. It's a specific balance that makes all the difference. About 70 to 75% of your calories come from fat, 20 to 25% from protein, and you keep carbs super low. That means just 5 to 10% of your daily calories come from carbs, mostly from leafy greens and a few berries. It's a big shift. Fat becomes your friend and sugar your foe. You'll start to see food in a whole new way. The goal? Achieve and maintain ketosis, so your body keeps burning fat for energy. That's where the real results happen. Keto isn't a quick fix or a crash diet, it's a new way to fuel your body, and it takes commitment and planning. So, are you ready to dive into the science and the delicious food? Let's get started and see what keto is all about. So, what makes the keto diet so appealing to so many people these days? It's more than just a trend, it's a lifestyle shift that's gaining momentum around the world. Why do people go keto? For some, it starts with curiosity, but for most, it's about taking control of their health and making a real, lasting change. The big reason? Weight loss. When you switch to burning fat for fuel instead of carbs, your body taps into stored body fat, which can lead to noticeable results. People often see the scale move and their clothes fit better, which is incredibly motivating. High-fat, high-protein foods keep you full and satisfied, so you naturally eat less without feeling deprived or constantly hungry. This makes sticking to the plan much easier. Many people report having steady, all-day energy, no more afternoon crashes or sugar highs and lows. Plus, ketones, which are produced on keto, can help sharpen your focus and mental clarity, fueling your brain in a unique way. Keto actually started as a medical diet for epilepsy, and now it's being studied for its potential benefits in managing diabetes, metabolic syndrome, and even some neurological conditions. For some, it's about fitting into old jeans or feeling more confident. For others, it's about better health, more energy, or improved mental clarity. The reasons are as unique as the people who try it. Keto offers a structured, easy-to-follow plan that can help you make real changes, both inside and out. It's about building habits that last. That's a powerful reason to give it a try and see what keto could do for you. Here's your new keto grocery game plan. Eat this healthy fats: avocado, olive oil, coconut oil, butter, nuts, and seeds. Moderate protein: fatty fish, beef, pork, poultry, eggs, and full-fat dairy. Non-starchy veggies: leafy greens, broccoli, cauliflower, zucchini, peppers, asparagus. These foods keep you in ketosis and feeling great. Not that sugar is out, no soda, candy, or hidden sugars and sauces. Grains and starchy veggies, bread, pasta, rice, potatoes are off the menu. Most fruits are too sugary, but small amounts of berries are okay. Skip sugary drinks, even juice. Read labels, carbs hide everywhere. Master this list and you're set for keto success. Let's make keto real and approachable with a simple, flexible, weekly meal plan that takes the guesswork out of eating. Planning ahead is the secret to staying on track and making your keto journey enjoyable, not stressful. For breakfast, think scrambled eggs with creamy avocado or a vibrant green keto smoothie packed with leafy greens and healthy fats to start your day energized. Or, try Greek yogurt topped with chia seeds for a quick, protein-rich option that keeps you full and satisfied until lunch. Lunches can be big, colorful salads with grilled chicken or tuna, using leftover proteins from dinner, or crisp lettuce wraps filled with your favorite keto-friendly fillings. These meals are easy to prep and perfect for busy days. For dinner, enjoy salmon with roasted asparagus, a hearty taco salad without the shell, pork chops with creamy cauliflower mash, zoodles topped with savory meat sauce, bunless burgers, steak with creamed spinach, or juicy roasted chicken thighs. Rotate these options to keep your evenings exciting. When hunger strikes between meals, reach for keto snacks like crunchy nuts, cheese cubes, briny olives, celery sticks with cream cheese, or a homemade fat bomb. And don't forget to hydrate. Drinking plenty of water is essential for feeling your best on keto. Mix and match your meals throughout the week to keep things interesting and prevent boredom. Variety is key to long-term success. There's no need for complicated recipes, just focus on real whole foods that are both satisfying and nourishing. Stick to your plan, check your progress, and you'll stay in ketosis while building healthy habits that last. Remember, it's about consistency, not perfection. Celebrate your wins and don't stress over small slip-ups. Enjoy the variety and flavors keto brings to your table. Your new menu is full of delicious possibilities. Embrace the journey and savor every bite. Starting keto? Here's how to make it stick. Expect the keto flu in week 1. Headaches, fatigue. Drink water, add salt, and get electrolytes. Plan meals and snacks ahead. Prepped food beats temptation. Cravings will hit. Drink water first, then reach for a high-fat snack if needed. Find non-food ways to handle stress. Walk, call a friend, or listen to music. Don't stress over slip-ups. Just get back on track at your next meal. Ignore the scale at first. Focus on energy and how your clothes fit. Keto is a marathon, not a sprint. With patience and prep, you'll thrive. Good eats and better health are just ahead.